Welcome back to Liviaro Studio. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful elements in design, color. Specifically, we'll explore the 2025 aesthetic color trends that are redefining how we style tiny homes. In small spaces, color isn't just decoration, it's spatial magic. The right palette can expand a room, define function, and create emotional comfort without a single square foot added. This year, trends are leaning toward grounded tones with natural depth, futuristic tints with nostalgic echoes, and muted pastels reinvented in sophisticated ways. In this video, we'll walk through every major area of the tiny home, from the living room to the bedroom, kitchen, entryway, bathroom, and dining space, sharing fresh, intentional palettes that don't just follow trends, but also create long-term harmony in your space. Ready to make your small home feel artfully curated and deeply personal? Let's begin. Segment 1, Living Room, Earthy Revival with a soft modern twist. The living room is the heart of any home, and in a tiny space, it needs to feel open, cozy, and inviting. In 2025, living room palettes are moving toward earthy revival tones, rich browns, baked clay, mushroom grays, and olive greens, balanced with soft white or bone-colored walls. These colors connect us to nature and add grounding energy, perfect for a compact home. To give it a modern aesthetic edge, pair these earthy tones with small accents of muted lavender, rust red, or slate blue, not bold, but subtly layered into textiles or wall art. For tiny spaces, a two-tone wall treatment using a darker, earthy shade on the lower third can add visual depth without making the room feel smaller. Linen fabrics, buccal cushions, and natural wood finishes all work beautifully with this palette, creating a space that feels warm but not heavy. Segment 2, Bedroom, soft neutrals with emotional depth. Bedrooms in tiny homes should function as calm cocoons, and in 2025, soft neutrals are becoming more expressive. Rather than sterile whites and cool grays, this year's emotional neutrals palette brings in warm taupe, sandstone, pale sage, and mauve gray. These are gentle tones that evoke emotion without visual clutter. Use them on walls or bedding to bring harmony and softness to the room. One trend gaining traction is using a monochrome palette with tonal layering. Think a sage green headboard against a paler green wall, with bedding in slightly cooler or deeper tones. This creates subtle contrast and depth, all within the same family of hues. If you love accent walls, consider a muted clay or dusky blush as a soft statement behind the bed. Segment 3, Kitchen, sun-touched and functional color play. Kitchens are often small in tiny homes, so color needs to serve both aesthetics and function. The 2025 trend? Sun-touched functionality, a palette of soft saffron, muted terracotta, pastel pistachio, and chalky white. These tones create warmth without overwhelming the eyes and offer a subtle energy that's perfect for a multitasking space. Cabinets in matte pistachio or warm beige create an inviting base, while a backsplash in hand-glazed mustard or warm gray tiles adds a Mediterranean meets modern charm. Don't be afraid to go colorful on the lower cabinetry while keeping the upper areas neutral. This helps visually lift the space. For metal finishes, opt for aged brass or brushed nickel. They're warmer and more forgiving in natural light than chrome. In a tiny home, kitchen color can tie in with the dining space, so these choices ripple throughout your interior story. Segment 4. Entryway and bathroom. Cool futurism with organic grounding. Entryways and bathrooms are often overlooked in color planning, but they're key mood setters in small homes. This year, cool futurism meets nature defines these zones. Picture soft graphite, eucalyptus green, and mineral blue paired with creamy whites or smoky beige. In entryways, these shades can be used in geometric wall paint patterns or color-blocked hooks and storage, creating a dynamic first impression without clutter. In bathrooms, use a light reflecting mineral tone like ocean, gray or glacier blue on the walls with organic finishes like bamboo or stone accessories. Don't be afraid to add a bolder tone like a deep teal or obsidian to a vanity or mirror frame to anchor the look. Because these spaces are small, even subtle shifts in paint hue make a huge impact. Soft, moody tones and matte finishes bring elegance and serenity, even to a bathroom the size of a closet. Segment 5. Dining Nook. Nostalgic modern with a hint of play. Even if your dining area is just a corner table or fold-down shelf, the right color can make it feel intentional. The 2025 vibe is all about nostalgic, modern, combining retro tones with contemporary restraint. Think muted mustard, faded coral, dusty teal, and honey beige. These colors have personality, but when applied in soft matte finishes, they feel curated and cozy. Try painting a single dining wall in vintage coral or a soft gold to visually frame the space. Chairs or banked seating in soft teal or rust add depth without needing additional decor. An important tip: match your table items like plates, cloth napkins, and candle holders in similar colors to make everything look well coordinated. Small pendant lighting in warm metal or glass finishes helps warm up the area and create that gather and stay feeling. This space is your chance to be a little playful with color without breaking the harmony of the rest of your tiny home. That wraps up our color journey through the tiny home of 2025. Remember, color in small spaces is not about trends for trends' sake. It's about creating calm, personality, and visual rhythm in every square inch. If today's ideas sparked your imagination, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite palette. Let us know in the comments what detail or design element captured your heart the most. Was it the cozy textures, the clever use of color, or the overall mood of the space? We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas on what kind of room or style transformation you'd like to see next. Until then, keep your space soulful, warm, and always in harmony with your story. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to share another beautiful transformation with you soon. See you in the next video!